Etie for video we a down screen so no. Just say anapa we na many boss so na me say asemmen training. Eno na we ni guso awhwe branch na nechi ye ginjam nechi ni na just say wohwe ya bone yie. Na asemmen enesi anse na beto aso no subscribe na click notification bell no. Eno na down screen so sisia we na say latest news be about once every time. Etie for a branch we na asema woka ene se wo diga na wo betre nyama no wo bebie nyama ni mukra mo behu okoto kontombre ne nyadoa ne nyama bia trese lockdown wi wo de ekwa akoye stew ena trese asojafo wo se wono de wotini moto so ena wakwa akodiga na wokodiga no asojafo ne hu na no musisiye wo mu mbisa na hwekra trese omo yese wo mo bona eno ka se me be dija wo mo enfin no eno tra mo se eno tra nyama no kontombre ne nyaado ano eno tra se ja me be di ye na eno na wo moto nechi no soja fo ne enfin no ena wo se wo mo twitwi etio ede bobo na afei emma wo mo de hwe na ama ne chinia tra se we prasa no eno na eda wenim sisia no eno na eda wenim sisia no. And we were speaking on this particular thing just yesterday. Andra, ni ye kan ho asem say, many Ministry of Information, social media, many omonkrofo na ye serious ntokwa ye kopa because they were trying to neglect the assaulter, security agencies no assaulting Ghanaians. Some more person mo ye no total lockdown. Monke. If you want us or if you want the thing to be total lockdown, just say it. Just say it. Woman penny ewo na nkasa ne nyansemu ebeka say opesa wokoto edwane a obetumi epie akwa akoto sabi wuti baby a wuni sabi janan bia ewo ofie na opesa woko janan ewo opesa woko janan ewo public toilet bia obetumi epie akọ any essential ade bia opesa wo ye bia obetumi yemfa ne say bia wokoto prepaid and I say, who fill gas. Ubetumi akọ. Ukoto ejane, ubetumi akọ. Eno ne nsema wo manpanyi ekan It is so manpanyi akasa. Na nam sa sunti. Asojafo ayo mo adwen se wo monte ye no mo bu nkrofo a wo mokoto ejane a. Then better call the thing total lockdown. Better say mo bia mpim ko bebia. Na eno no ye nti ase. O kan samu wan. Ye beti ase. Oka se mo bia empie nko bebia eno ye beti ase so okay se me pie na me goto aduane kra na wo chemi a wo kwan se e was eno kra no wo ni kwan se wo se wo bome because emra na kire se uchi wo bi wa bonten and you feel se nipa ko no otia mra no eye restrictions a omampanyi ama fa nipa ko no court enu nti Chief Justice ama ya set aside some particular courts ye pese ye di edi sa KCC se wo mo a ye be chi omo se wo mo wa bonten na ye be hwehwe mo asem hu ne se they don't have concrete reasons to be outside. You see ye do be court. Ye do court e wo se wo tia 12,000 cedis and 4 years in prison. Eno enamra no etre emra na nka se wo chi wo bi wa bonten na wo bisa ne se wo kwanya dan na wo tell se me koye se na wo soja ni no wa wo discretion hu ne se da bi ne ba ko ni twa ntro Imran interest bunipa krono. Imran interest fanipa kono court. Process the person before court. If you feel send nipa kono e chantro, it is as simple as that. And you see people defending the military saying that say you see mo bien pie, ade na wo pie. But yan kasa soja fo ni mbu nkrofo a wo mo pie nsuo. Answer na lockdown we be sha ase. They assured Ghanaians say they will approach this lockdown with a humanitarian face. That's what they told us. That is what they told us. Every single day, ya bogan and nibi. Every single day, ya bogan and nibi. Sana mami abrewa bin so je nibi kwa bono. Mami abrewa ne chinia ama wodi ebufuo ebodua. Joy FM4 eko mami abrewa no eko interview no. And you see, military for and the Ministry of Information were denying this. And I want to come Mami Abdul on the ton idea. O ton idea. And no say o man penny say wo ton idea. No restrictions na encounter. Until then, a soldier no airbono. And no to Mami Abdul on the bufu ya grandma or no so far ne babema because the babema who send ya yabone mammy no bufu ya. Who soldier no soldier need deny say no bo Abdul. Meanwhile, one more around near who said soldier in a bo Abdul. Ne babema na ne bufu ye papa because who mammy nature we pra any croquetois. But later, my minister said, "Oh, the nation, the abo awabo soldier ni no their channel." You see, doing things like this, and oye bibi say ya, sabi wo ni patrona wo bo civilian ni say no, sabi imprediasa. Do you want something? And I open say eriase no, just say oye bibi I open say ekosu ye mawana. Karma is real, no. Karma is real. Ya the mo two position bi mo a, mamu hu no say hey hu hran mo ane mo. Kuntai na bo peja na beti ye de mutu position bi so a na position bi mu a na wo peja na beti obi asema wa kan o se asojafo na ebu nkrofo no obakwa ko hwekra no na eye asoja omo a wo mu ru asoja mu nanse ya na the lower ranks wo mu atrese ye ka asojafo ranks kra wo mu nka hu bi no wo mu na atrese wo mu bu nkrofo say because soja penyi de wo no at least wo nim nyansa hu ne se da bi mi bu me ho me gwatwe aba enhwe obi sei na say video bi go viral soja ni bi ye friend Major Afrem Oseden wo tu nkrofo fo wo kan mu e ka che nkrofo no say senior situation no eye din bia no chese tinafie because wo pia bontin na wo benya yare no na wo wu a chese de wewu no ono na se be ni da so ni homa no but wo wonko na wo tinafie na this trying times no wo de wo ka se wo ni adwane na ekomo de na wo fie kra na wo de tinafie soja ni na sama wo kan na to bia koma so na nkrofo share video no oye major oye penyi wo soja mu impenyifo ni mo ka etu nkrofo fo na mo nkola no mo twetwe aba hwehwe nkrofo. Sena branch we describe in there no. Osi no mu gwa soldier for car mo. Obviously, nkola na egu cars nim. Because soldier penyi there. Ebia wona nkasa de ne car e na ebenam. You see, Amama Kai preaching bia na meet from the late Evangelist Odro. May he so rest in peace. Preaching bia na meet from the late na ya de bia me to me car na me bo preaching wo me car nim. The late Evangelist Oduro asama wo kan no wo se ube hu se obi a wo ra soja mu na nsen no na wonam na wo bo nkrofo akoye se obi a wo kɔ abrochie baae Ghana ni a wakɔ abrochie aba wo kɔ baae afa no peja na beti na abrochie na wo kɔ no nipa kɔ a ho kra eye ne man no wo peja na beti ye wo soja ni obi a ra soja mo se ube ra soja no obi be ra soja mu na nsen ya wo pass ya no nam ni krase ohun se obi ehye soja tarepe na wache ni bakona bono ohun se obi yewepe o se come on na wache ni bakona bono meanwhile wonu ra soja mu nche na obi a wonu ye panyi wo soja mu kra wonye sa and it is true wo mo ye panyi fo wo soja mu kra wo mo nye sei wachi obi papa boni sei hwenechi se ne ye ya de se ne ye ya de ana asoja fo no seven prediasa don't they understand the directives from the president? The president ne kan wo mo ntiase ana me de men ka say papa we ebia de wa ye no eyo dabi what I'm saying is say embra ama ho kwan enu ho nti na president ema ye de asem no ekọ parliament intentema so that time na NDC opposition for Sowietia say hey sade na ye de call parliament na nye but still ye de call parliament intentem and ye pass that thing and man never done a law ye pass a bill no man never done a law say president I can't say during this coronavirus times na will be tia the president ne can I was a court and in the bakuni di about done a law of Ghana. So if there is a law like that in Ghana, why do you need to assault people who flout those laws? Just make the law take its course. It's as simple as that. Then you the person saying that, I'm sorry, but you are very ignorant. because in brana mahokwan se nipa kro no wo chi no wabonti na ususu se wo se wakoto aduane na wo so jani wan kasa wa adwemu hu ne se dabi nipa ko ne boa process the person before court mo de ne court na ye hu ne se nipa ko no entro no wo twa ye be ma na akoda mfiase for 4 years. That is right. Why do you need to assault people every single day? Every single day we see videos of soldier beating people. Every single day we see videos of soldier beating. Aden, bonne ben, Aden. Na mo ma die we kra yakoye se na mo kra no mo opportunity kra bogana for the da na ya ma mo so opportunity we ma mo de bogana for. Masa karma is real no. Karma is real. Enya ho awadin se obetumi eyiweni ayobi yakayaka de na wa scot free. Ewia se enya sa they are natural laws in the onyankopon nankasa ne nyansa mu no. Wo manipa adwen se nipa nkasa yamfanya law. Wo wie no e na wo sanso bo natural laws. It is a nipa law no, nipa use a natural law ne de and no ebe take its course. If you are in a position like this, now assaulting Crawford, you are putting your own generation and a wokra womba. Okra womba and your own generation, you are putting them at risk. No bit in a hot. Ebia na brabo wo ye bibia enkoso zizebe bakwa hwehwe na ne na kanso bia na ne papa bi yakayaka dia wodi ye obi no eno na wo nya hu nsunsanso enye if you are put in a place of authority, if you are positioned in a higher place, it doesn't mean you use that position to abuse people or assault people. Dabi if you are saying nye juma sa. If you are put in a higher position or authority, it just means that you use that thing or that position for the good of mankind. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. You use it for the good of mankind. So we'll be making sure that I didn't know you know. And na membra kwan so. You can't do this. Tabi. And you can see a so nyama bi say so. Na bobi papa say patch na boni say. Ya koka wo mo be deny. Ya asoja for mpanyfo Ministry of Information. Wo mo nya be ba bontie deny, but you and I know say these people are lying blatantly to us, but we are silent. We are silent. We are silent. Asemwa I am ya. Because I've been talking about this. We don't say Ghana. Yenya yebe kom. Ebe kwa kudu baby. Na soje ni bi die bufu akotwitu abobi na wa bobi ekunipa kono na ehwa abeda ni different case. Na afiansa Ghana for yebe so asem ni mu. Saa na yete. Asem ni sha asem kitenkete saa na eya na empese yebe susom. Ekokodru empempenso bia yehu ne se dabi we dey too much afianse ye be kasa se na soje ni but embra ba sha asem no na ka ye na ye de your voice e kan ho a na ka etu obetwa. With the rate at which the police, the military are assaulting people, no, I will not be surprised if mistakenly womo e de bibi ko bo bi na ne bakono ewu. I will not be surprised. I'm not being a prophet of doom. But send anyama na ekoso no, I will not be surprised if that thing happens. Eya me ya papa. Unche mo adwo comment box mo tie for me da say.